My name is Anges Mollet, and together with Dr. Ilka Pohar, I lead the Immunology and Cellular Immunotherapy Group within the Department of Genetic Toxicology and Cancer Biology at the National Institute of Biology. I am also an assistant professor of immunology at the University of Ljubljana Biotechnical Faculty. Collectively, through our research, we aim to contribute to better understanding of the immune system and support the development of therapeutic approaches for diseases in which immune system plays a central role. One particular technology that we are very excited about aims to improve the preparation of therapeutically relevant immune cells for research applications and for potential future cell-based immunotherapies. We are currently focused on generating the data needed to establish proof of principle, and if the results support it, to pursue intellectual property protection. Looking ahead, we are interested in connecting with companies involved in the development and supply of research reagents, biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies, CDMOs, CROs, and clinical research groups that may be interested in future licensing opportunities or collaborative development.